Here trying to run 770 in ET like we always do. First round qualifying, Turbo decided to spin the wheel, either shaft or the wheel let go. Lucky enough to have one on the way so we can drive it back home.
Fucking bitch.
Well, anyways, here we showed up here around 8 o'clock this morning with my truck. I got a 2001 Duramax. Typically runs mid to low sixes. I tried something new today. It's not working out to my liking, so I'm going to go back to the old setup I have. See if I can swap it out real quick and make a few rounds here.
I'm in the mood to label us the leaders of the new school. This ain't for the radio, can't find this on YouTube. This the type of killer.
All right, hello everyone. My name is Susan Soga, and this is my 1934 Chevy pickup truck, slightly modified. Typically runs 670 class. Today we're doing Outlaw and Elite single, so it's first to the end wins, which is so much fun, so I don't have to worry about a number. Well, there was just a slight leak from a gasket, but screw it. We drained the water and we're going to run it, and there's always next season.
Now looking at an idol, you're doing long enough to pay for my attention. Man, it's the gospel for the black sheep. I guess it got a banging ring to it. Quiet with triumph on the rap.
Hi, my name's Trey Sykes, the Lumberjack. I'm here with the 2009 BMW 335D, sponsored by Hot Shot Secret, tuned by Malone Tuning and Rod Subton Tuning. We put down about 520 horsepower and 740 pound-feet of torque, rear-wheel drive only. We're running the 770 class here at Diesel Truck Wars. We just got finished with first round. We had an 0.42 reaction time and got to slow it down to an 8.07 because we had such a big lead. Still took 2/10 worth of stripe. Had them covered on the reaction time, so we're going to keep going here. Go into second round, hopefully have the bye. See if we can't bring this thing home, put it in the winner's circle.
So I even the score. Youngest bet it up, learn how to step it up. Recipe chef it up, set it up, set it up. Shown to thrown it off.
First, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out today. Real good turnout. Thank all of our sponsors for making this possible. Curtis and the True Blood family for allowing us to do this. But decided to enter the Outlaw class today. Come out and qualifying. Went 595 first round. Sat out second round because we were sitting pretty. Brian Jellick went 575, and so we started out number 2. So we went back with the same tune-up in round 1 eliminations. Went 593, and feeling real good about it right now. Truck's running straight, running smooth. We got a little bit cooler air here, so we're probably not going to turn it up anymore. And we're hoping to sit right here in the number 1 spot tonight by the time the night's over, and keep our bottle pressure just right, keep our tire pressure just right, and bring home the win.